if you want to block mobile data for specific apps on a Nothing phone 4a or 4a Pro, then first of all we need to go to the Play Store. And once we open the Play Store, then in here we're gonna use the search option, and now we need to search for an app that allows us to block the mobile data for apps of our choice. Now we can just type something like block mobile data or something like that, but in my case I'm just gonna type NetGuard, and this is the name of the app that I'm gonna use in this video. This is the one, and I've used this app before on previous phones, and I think this one is one of the best ones. But of course, feel free to try anything else that you can find in the Play Store. I actually encourage you to do so in order to try to find the app that is the most suitable one for you. So once we open the app, we need to tap on I agree in here. We need to then enable NetGuard by tapping on the switcher in the upper left corner, and then we're gonna press on OK. Now the app uses VPN connections in order to, of course, block access to mobile data or Wi-Fi for apps of our choice. So we need to go to the app battery usage in here. We need to find NetGuard. So let's find it. There we go. Then we're gonna tap on allow background usage, and you want to set it to unrestricted. We can now go back. In here we can tap on the notification information in here in order to grant the access to notifications. And here we have some of the information about the app. So of course you can read them and then press OK. At the bottom we can also find some of the information, but I'm just gonna skip through that. And now we can block access to mobile data for apps that we want to restrict the access to the mobile data. So once you find your app, you want to tap on the mobile data icon, which is of course this triangle here on the right side. So you can tap on it over here to block. Simple as that. Now these three apps that I have chosen in here, and they do not have access to mobile data at all. Besides that, you can tap on the three dots here in the upper right corner, and we can go to settings. And then here in settings, we can choose default, and you can completely block mobile data for all apps by default. So there we go. As you can see, the whole list of apps is now excluded from the usage of mobile data. And of course, I can still make exceptions if I want to make sure that certain apps always have access to mobile data. And then of course, I can just turn it back on. But now by default, even if I install new apps, they will have blocked mobile data as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.